Chinese technicians working in Uganda are sharing their knowledge and skills with local young engineers in a road upgrading project. Chongqing International Construction Corporation, a Chinese firm, was contracted to upgrade the dual-carriage 21 km road to bitumen standard from Kira to Matuga.
I'm working in the lab as a system materials engineer, so I get to look at all the tests being done in the lab, analyze all the material being done, and then sometimes if you want to learn something new, they give you the opportunity to go and learn from a different office.
I've spent a year personally here, but most of these technicians, the Chinese technicians, can leave me on site and I can do some of the works that were guided by them without their supervision. And when they come, they are okaying all the works that has been done. So I'm confident that going forward, these works can be done by Ugandans themselves.
In China, we have a word. It's better to teach a man how to fish than give him a fish. So we want to teach the local people some skill, like how to the bricklayer, steel bar worker, and even the surveyor and lab test people.
The project involves more than 10 Chinese engineers and hundreds of local employees. Besides practical lessons, CICO also organizes online training.